Hey Asta.
Hi
Hope I'm not
Kushali.
disturbing you.
No, not at all.
Okay, so how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing great.
Okay.
As you know that we are here to shoot 20 question series with you.
Mhm.
So are you excited to
Yes,
shoot it?
yes, I am excited and I was waiting for you only.
Okay, that's great. Shall we begin?
Yes. Okay, so can we take a walk while doing this?
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
So my first question to you is, what's your favorite part of this job?
Employee engagement and interaction.
So I can say that you love interacting with people.
Yes, I do. I do enjoy that.
Okay, my next question is work from home or work from office?
Work from office, obviously.
Work-life balance or high salary?
Work-life balance.
At what age would you like to retire?
I haven't decided it yet, but yes, I think it's 60.
Oh my, that's a long way to go.
Yeah, it is a long, long way to go.
What is your go-to snack at office?
Biscuits with chai. Yes.
We can say that there's another tea lover in the office.
Yes, you can say that.
My next question to you is, what makes you sad?
I think when I schedule an interview for any of the candidate and that particular candidate didn't showed up. So this is the thing which makes me sad.
I think that's the case with most of the HRs.
Yeah.
Sad story. Next question is, what makes you angry?
As I'm very calm and composed person, so I don't think there is something which makes me angry very easily. So
I think everyone should learn from you how to stay calm and composed in every situation. What makes you hopeful?
my work.
What is the best advice you have ever received?
That you should never lose the hope in your life. So
That's one wise advice I can say. As you know, as you have many friends in the office, so next question will be related to that only. Which coworker did you learn the most from?
Sonali, Priyanka, and as well as Swasti.
Which coworker did you get the most mischief with?
Sonali, obviously.
Okay. Which coworker makes you laugh the most?
Swasti.
Why? Like, can you share an incident with us?
Yeah, sure. So one day she was about to share some funny things. Then before sharing that, she started laughing, and that made us laugh a lot. And she does that every time. So yeah, this is the thing that make us laugh.
Okay. Which coworker never fails to cheer you up?
Sonali.
My next question is, what's the silliest work mistake you have ever made?
I think while working onto the Google Sheet, because I do several mistakes and that too repetitively. So yeah, that is the
So
thing.
you are working on it.
Yes, I am.
Okay. If not HR, what profession would you pursue?
I guess a teacher or a motivator.
That's nice. What's the best thing and worst thing about being an HR?
The best thing is the interaction, and the worst thing is the myth that people thinks that the HR team is the only one who is responsible for the Rangoli thing. So
I think we have heard many memes regarding that only.
Yes.
But I can definitely say that by looking at you and by looking at the other HRs at the office, you can say that there's more work and responsibility on them apart from just a myth
Exactly.
of Rangoli creation. My next question is, what's the first thing you do after coming to office?
I open my laptop, I prepare my to-do list and refill my bottle.
Okay, and I will wrap up with this with my last question. What's your New Year's resolution for 2022?
Okay, so I haven't decided it yet, but I am thinking to avoid the unhealthy food in the coming year.
Okay, I'm done with all the questions, Asta, and that's lovely talking to you and great knowing you.
Yeah.
So thank you
Thank
for
you so
shooting
much,
with us
Vishali.
today.
Thank you so much.